Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use pattern style for your invoice in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel. First I add here the invoice template, then I show you how to apply the pattern style. So click on the file tab and here click on the more templates option and you can select here the different templates of the invoice. You can search here in search for the online templates. I just enter here the invoice and press the enter, and you can see the all invoice template here searched. Then choose invoice those you want. So I simply search, I select here one simple invoice. I select this one, okay. Then click on the create and see your invoice is here, okay. So this is an invoice template, so you can use it. And to change the pattern style for your invoice, simply select the invoice, okay. So I select here simply with mouse, okay, and just right click of the mouse and click on the format cell option. And in format cell you can see the click on the field tab. In field tab have a pattern style option. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can see here the different patterns is available. Select those you want. So I just simply select this one and you can see here the preview of the pattern. Simply click on OK to apply the pattern. See here the pattern is apply. Now if you want to change the color of the pattern, simply select again the invoice. Again right click of the mouse, click on the format cell, click on the field tab and here the pattern color option. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the color those you want. When you select the color, the pattern color will change. So you can see the pattern color will change. Just click on OK and you can see the pattern color change. Now when you print this, I press here Ctrl P to print this invoice. You can see your invoice looks like different. So this is a way you can use the different color, different pattern to showing your invoice different way. So hope you understand. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.